How to order food on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can order food on Hawaii Airlines. The first step is to sign in into your Hawaii Airlines, either using the app or by using the website. And then by the time you sign in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Now, when flying with Hawaii Airlines, you must note that you are in for a treat when it comes to in-flight dining. Okay, so Hawaii Airlines takes in-flight meals to a new level, and they always allow you to make orders even before you get on the flight. And then how do you pre-order any of the meals? The major way is by reaching out to the customer service. And how do you do so? Move to the lower right corner of the screen, click on the more option, and then on this page you can see the first tab which says get in touch. All right, and under this tab you can see options like message center, chat with us, contact us. So you can just go ahead and chat with the customer support, and then make your orders that you'd like to order food, and these are the things that you would like to order for. And then once you've done that, your name will be noted down and all of that, and then by the time you get on flight, your order would be delivered to you. So this is basically how you can order food on Hawaii Airlines. Just ensure that you reach out to the customer support, and once the page has loaded, type out your question and you will be responded to. Thanks for watching and have a good day.